In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add upsell in Shopify. Upsells are a simple way to increase your average order value by showing customers a timely, relevant offer. We'll walk through installing an app, creating your first offer, and making it live, all in a clear and manageable flow. First, open your Shopify Admin and head to your store's dashboard. This is the control center for everything you manage, and it's where you'll access the tools you need for upsells. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions so you can install apps and publish changes without interruptions. Next, go to the Apps section and install the Essential Upsell app. This app is designed to create post-purchase offers that show right after checkout, so the customer can add an extra item with a single click. During installation, you may be asked to approve permissions, review them, and confirm to proceed. Once installed, open the app so we can build your first offer. Inside the app, click Create Offer. This is where the core setup happens. Think of your offer as a concise pitch, the right product, a clear benefit, and a smooth path to accept. Decide which product you want to promote and who should see it. Relevance is everything. Pair accessories with main products or offer a larger size or bundle that complements what the customer just bought. Keep pricing straightforward. A small, compelling discount often performs better than a complex deal. If the app lets you add a headline and image, choose copy and visuals that quickly communicate value and match your store's brand voice. Now, fill in the details and get everything ready to go. Give your offer a descriptive internal name so you can track it later. Select the product or collection for the upsell. Set your discount if you're using one, and fine-tune any conditions like which initial purchases should trigger this offer. Keep the layout clean, limit distractions, and make the call to action crystal clear. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Publishing saves and prepares the offer, but it's not live yet. To make it visible to customers, click Activate. Activation is the final switch that puts the offer into production. That's it. You've navigated to your store, installed Essential Upsell, created an offer, added the key details, published, and activated it. Give it a little time to gather data, then revisit the app to refine the product, message, or discount based on performance. With these steps, your store is set to capture more revenue without adding friction to the customer experience.